Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Hope you're doing well. If you worry about account security, you may have known about two-factor authentication. Basically, it is another layer of protection you get after you entered your password. When you log into your account, it will ask you to enter another 6-digit confirmation code, which will then be sent to you via SMS or from a separate Authenticator application. Without that code, it might not be possible to access your account. Although, you shouldn't always rely on the SMS method, because unlike the Authenticator app, SMS are not always end-to-end encrypted. It could be intercepted along the way, leaving your account compromised. So instead, I suggest using a separate authenticator. For example, you can install a complete offline authenticator like an OPT on your device. So on that note, the problem with the authenticator is, once you set it up and if something were to happen to your phone, you will be left with no way of recovering your account. Because in order to set it up on another phone, you need to have access to your account in the first place. Please keep in mind that this is just a simple tip to prevent such a scenario and not a permanent solution for that problem. For this, I'll be using Google's Authenticator as an example, but it will work the same way in any other service. All you have to do, go to your account and locate two-factor authentication under Security. Log in. Scroll down to Authenticator app and choose your phone. Press next, and here it will ask you to scan this QR code. Okay, now this is the important bit. Before you scan, make sure to get a snapshot of this QR code and save it somewhere safe. So that way you can set up the same authentication settings in any device at any time. But don't close this yet before scanning. You need to make sure to take the exact same code that you are scanning. And also you can just copy paste this code to your notepad as well. Now, whenever you want to recover your previous authentication settings, you can simply either scan the QR code in the screenshot or enter this code directly into your Authenticator application. That's all. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe.